Yeah, so right now we're inside the Unity Park Future Visitor Center. This is one of 3 buildings in the park that are going to have community restrooms that'll be able to be accessed by park goers. It also contains 5,000 square feet of event space, which we're inside right now. Currently, we've replaced all of the existing structure with brand new structural beams and columns. We've been able to salvage the historical masonry that's here that's going to be preserved for the aesthetic and historical point of the park. We've opened up all of the new openings in the exterior walls to allow for views of the park and out onto the Reedy River. So outside of the visitor center is going to have a wraparound porch that will provide elevated views onto the newly restored section of Reedy River, as well as out into the future Great Lawn. The interior of the building will start taking shape. As you can see, a lot of work is going on in here, and this building will open to the public when the park opens in spring of 2022.